Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog! So today we're going to make what? Banana and mango smoothie. So here we have, what is this? Mango. In Chinese and Mandarin, this is mangko and this is banana. In Mandarin, we call this what? 香蕉. Oh no! Okay. 好，开始的，快点，快点。好了，stop。Okay, first, 过来，那个 put the 香蕉 here. Okay, this is 香蕉. Okay, 香蕉. Wait, ang hirap naman nito ba kay Kang? 这个放一起，对，一样的，Okay, here, this is the banana. Yeah, very good. Okay, there are two left. Okay. Okay, Maman. And this is mango. Here. This. Okay. So, struggle kayo siya, guys. Okay. Yes, very good. And the last one, water. So, we don't have milk here. So, instead of milk, ano yung gagamitin natin? Water. Sway. Okay. Okay. 放这边，放。Yes. Good job! Bye-bye, so. Clap your hands. Yes. Hello again, guys. So, our mango and what? Our banana and mango smoothie. It's ready to serve. So, ayan. Okay, ito na yun. Okay na. Tadaan! Wait. So, ayan na. Tapos na ang aming banana and mango smoothie. So, serve to your loved ones. Okay, wait. Okay. Siyempre, titikman natin. Sige, siyempre, hindi ko na titikim. Wait. Wow! Taste good! Oh, halatang nagustuhan talaga niya ba? Masarap yan. Masarap yan. Sarap? Hala? Okay. Sarap yan. Nagustuhan talaga niya. Lami kayo. Sige na, mag-bye-bye ka na sa ating vlog. Kay iinumin na natin to. Okay guys, bye! Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Say goodbye ka muna. Say goodbye. Say goodbye muna. Goodbye. Say bye! Mwah!